I'm Denise Long, and I work for Virginia Tile for 27 years. I've done the purchasing for about 23 years, and started purchasing from Quickscrews in 1999 when we started buying from them.
Are you sending your orders in directly to order entry?
Yeah,
Tell me a little bit about that.
Send my orders into order entry. We have several locations, so if we have enough for prepaid, I'll send them to each location separately, or we have them all go into one location and then we transfer. The lower prepaid amount helps so that we can get orders shipped out more regularly. We usually order every 2 weeks. Occasionally I'll order every week if we have enough product that we need to bring in. And we've had more customers asking for us to stock more product, so we are, increasing the line as we can.
What are your typical customer base? What do they typically do?
We sell to cabinet shops that will build the different cabinets and things for builders, remodeling stores.
Has any of your experience changed over the years?
Biggest change we've had has been lowering the prepaid amount. We used to have to buy $2,500. Now it's $1,500 to order more efficiently. We've had a lot of people asking to bring in more stuff, more product.
What makes a good supplier for you?
Quickscrews is one that normally we don't have a lot of mistakes. Lou is usually right on getting product out. We email our orders in, and most of the time it's what we order when we order it. We don't have a lot of back orders, which is a very nice thing when customers want their product now. So